Hey everybody, this is Mr. Kevin from HumboldtCraftworks. How you doing today?
Hello, and welcome to, I don't know what it is. So what are we doing today? Every now and then people ask me, so what kind of projects do you do? I made a little video, it's called My Life as a Woodworking Fool, and it's got some pictures right here. Yeah. So I figured I'd just do a year in review of what I've done so far this year. So since January to now, I've done 4 or 5 projects, I think. And you've seen a lot of them in my videos because I kind of have to shoot video of what I'm doing. I don't really have time to, like, here's a little jewelry box. Or, here, hold on one second. So my buddy Trucker Mike wanted to know how to make his girlfriend a little planter box. So I did it. Little planter box. All done on the table saw, just mitering it. But yeah, it's tapered and mitered. Tapered, mitered little thing. But I don't really have time. In my busy schedule, I don't have much time for fun and games. This is, to me, is fun and games. This is be fun to do. It's a cool little thing you do on the weekend, and you make your honey a little something or other, and you get the honey-do list. I would like some little potted plant thing, jigger bobbers. You go, hey, I know how to do that, and I'll make a video of this someday. Right now, it's just I have to film stuff that I'm working on. Oops. If you've watched any of my videos, you'll see oh, I know, I've seen that before. It's in the jiggity jig jig thing. A couple of them are from the handles from hell. The handles from hell. I didn't really even want to put these pictures in there, but you know, it's one of those things. There's 4 months I'll never get back out of my life. Oh God. And then the last one is the little barn Willow Creek, and I think I talked about the labeling your wood. So you might see a few photographs floating by that I took in the last, whatever it is now, July, so last 7 months, and it won't take very long. This is probably longer than the whole damn thing to begin with, so. Okay. Oh, I gotta throw something at you. The handles from hell.
So if you liked the video, hit the like button. And if you didn't, hit the dislike button or unlike or whatever it's called. I don't really, whatever. Can't please everybody. Hit the notification bell. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Sign up for the Butcher Block giveaway because I'm at 70 now. 70. Oh, I'm getting closer. 30 more and I'm going to give away a Butcher Block. And tell all your friends. Look me up on the Facebook and the Twitter and the Instagram. Am I on all that? I don't know. I guess I am. And I'll put the links down below. I'll see you next time on Woodworking with Mr. Kevin, because that's me. Bye.
I got a snot bubble. Hold on. And I glue up little pieces of... Okay. Oh, that sucks. Hey, everybody. I'm all boxed in. I'll see you next time on Woodworking with Mr. Kevin. Okay, bye. I'm still here. See ya.